how to add Java extension on Visual Studio Code. If you want to write a code on Java and want to download its extension on VS Code, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded VS Code on a device. After that, click on search bar and open Visual Studio Code. Now you can see different options here on the left side. Click on this last option which says extensions, and here on the search bar type in Java and click on enter. After that, you will see different options here. Click on this extension pack for Java option and click on install. Since I have already installed this extension, here it is showing this disable and uninstall option. If not, you will see install button here, so simply click on that install button and it may take some time to install that extension, and after that you can now easily use Java on your Visual Studio Code. So following the simple and easy step, you can now easily add extension for Java on VS Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.